In this video, we will define the widgets available in the Director interface. Once logged in, you'll have access to the Director user interface. Within the Director interface, users will have widgets available to perform specific functions in the eMAM system based on their permissions. To add widgets to your workspace, open the widget drawer and click and drag a widget onto one of the 5 locations in the Director interface. Ingest widget. Ingest widget is used to upload assets into the eMAM system. Select one of 2 ways to upload media to eMAM: the web uploader or using the eMAM feeder application. Using the web uploader, drag and drop individual files or folders into the ingest widget, assign assets to projects and categories, and apply metadata. Using the feeder application, click Download Feeder to localize the feeder application to your desktop. Launch the feeder application and drag and drop individual files or folders onto the eMAM feeder application window. Assign assets to projects, categories, and apply metadata. Browse widget. Browse widget is used to view the assets you have stored in the eMAM system. There are 3 ways to view the assets: thumbnails, a list view, or a film strip. Sort your assets by most recent, size, title, type, rating, description, category, and more. Select one or more assets to send to delivery or eBin. Category widget. Category widget is used to organize your media. For example, organize your assets by project, event, ad campaign, type of asset, and so on. Assets can be assigned to one or more categories, making it easy to search for assets based on a project or event. Users can also globally update metadata and deliver assets as a predefined location. Metadata widget. The metadata widget is used to store searchable information about your media. Metadata information includes file properties, embedded tags, and custom metadata. Search widget. The search widget is used to find assets based on metadata, projects, categories, asset type, asset size, and more. Click on one or more filters to filter out the assets you are looking for. Preview the search results in the browser widget. Preview widget. Preview widget is used to view proxies of your media. Videos can be played at normal, fast forward, and rewind speeds. Users can add subclips, markers, and annotations to the managed proxies. Subclip widget. The subclip widget allows users to create a smaller clip from the original video. Users select the I for in and O for out point in the preview widget based on timecode to create a reference for the smaller clip. Users have the option to drop the subclip into a timeline for later editing in Adobe Premiere. Subclips can be named and delivered as a new clip to a specific location or back into the eMAM system as a new media asset. Marker widget. The marker widget allows users to add markers based on timecode with a description. Information stored in a marker is searchable using the advanced search marker search function. Project widget. The project widget is used to collect media and create rough cut sequences for editing in an in-the software application like Adobe Premiere. Users can add a project, add bins, and create sequences. Using sequences, users can add subclips and full clips for preview and exporting to an in-the application. eMAM can also manage projects and versions of projects using the project version widget. Timeline and timeline preview widgets. The timeline and timeline preview widgets are used to put a rough cut sequence together for preview or to be exported to an NLE software application like Adobe Premiere Pro. Users can add subclips and full clips to the timeline. Review and Approve Comments Widgets. The Review and Approve widget is used to send notifications via email with a link to the proxy files for others to review. Internal named users and external users to the eMAM system will receive an email to review a video, photo, audio file, and more. Users review and add comments and accept or reject the media file. All comments and responses are received by the requester. Delivery and eBin widgets. The delivery and eBin widgets are used to deliver media via proxy links in an email or delivery media to a specific predefined location. History widget. The History widget is used to view the history of an asset, including what functions have been applied and which users applied it. Keyframes widget. The Keyframes widget is used to apply a new keyframe to an asset, which will be displayed in the browser widget. File Version widget. The File Version widget is used to add a new version to an asset, add an additional audio track, and subtitles. Dashboard widget. Dashboard widget is used to review the status of any asset, including ingest, delivery, purge, and archive. For more information about these widgets and more widgets available to each user, please check the eMAM user guide.
Learn more at emamcloud.com and emamsolutions.com.